And because we have the wave particle duality in light, it means that the wave particle duality in light is a paradox, simultaneously dualistic. Hence the reason they call it the wave particle duality in light, because duality means rigid distinctions. Duality and contrast to polarity, they are a trichotomy. They share no commonality whatsoever. However, they share one subtle common denominator in terms of their polarity and nuances. Right? So a contrast and a polarity and a duality is not the same. Duality is rigid distinctions between. So black and a chicken may be duality, right? But they're not polarity. They might be in some context a contrast.